Hello brother, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Over the past 14 hours, F crypto AAVE price has fallen 4% to 99. This continues its negative trend over the past week where it has experienced a 8% loss, moving from 110 to its current price. The card below compares the price movement and volatility for F over the past 24 hours to its price movement over the past week. The gray bands are Bollinger Bands, measuring the volatility for both the daily and weekly price movements. The wider the bands are or the larger the gray area is at any given moment. The larger the volatility. The trading volume for the coin has fallen 56% over the past week, moving in tandem directionally with the overall circulating supply of the coin, which has decreased 0%. This brings the circulating supply to 14 million, which makes up an estimated 87% of its max supply of 16 million. According to our data, the current market cap ranking for AAVE is 48 at 1 billion. This article was generated by Benzing's Automated Content 9 and reviewed by an editor. The chart below compares the price, movement, and volatility for F over the past 14 hours to its price movements, where it has weekly price. The wider the bands are or the larger the gray area is in any given moment, the larger the volatility. The trading volume for the coin has fallen 56% over the past week, moving in tandem directionally with the overall circulating supply of the coin, which has decreased 0%. This brings the circulating supply to 13 million, which makes estimates 87% of its max supply of 16 million. According to our data, the current market cap ranking for AAVE is 48 at 1 billion. The right information is obtained by Bangkok from the list institution. Bangkok cannot guarantee the accuracy of or availability of any rights shown above. Institutions may have different rights on their own websites than those posted on Bankrupt.com. The listings that appear on this page are from companies from which this website receives compensation, which may impact how, where, and in what order products appear. This table does not include all companies or all available products. Okay guys, thank you and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment and subscribe. Thanks.